Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Bluetooth on a Dodge Charger. First, let's cover the basics. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and visible to other devices. Also, ensure your phone is close to your charger, ideally within 3 feet, for a strong connection. Double-check that the Bluetooth function is enabled within your charger's Uconnect system settings. These simple steps often resolve many common connectivity issues quickly and easily. Next, a simple restart can work wonders. Power off your mobile phone entirely, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Similarly, try restarting your charger's Uconnect system. Sometimes turning the car off and on again is enough. After restarting, delete any previous Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the Uconnect system. This clears old data and allows for a fresh, clean connection, often resolving persistent pairing problems. Carmine Corp, while having a challenging head-to-head against Vitality, has achieved significant success in other areas. They secured a first-place finish at a Valorant Champions Tour EMEA kickoff event, a major regional title. Casey also reached a world ranking as high as 6th place. Their team has demonstrated strong individual talent and the ability to go on impressive win streaks. For more advanced troubleshooting, you might need to check the fuse for your Uconnect system. Refer to your charger's owner's manual to locate the correct fuse box and identify the specific fuse. A blown fuse can prevent the system from functioning correctly. If you've tried all these steps and your Bluetooth still isn't working, it's best to consult a certified Dodge service technician. They have specialized tools and knowledge to diagnose and fix more complex electrical issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.